Hey everybody, ready for the next video. So, you guys ready to see my my Italian sports car I got, my blue? So I'm pretty excited. So I thought I'd show you guys what I got. So here it is. Yep, that is my New Holland Workmaster 50. Yes, it is Italian. For those of you who think that it's American, it is not. As it turns out, Fiat owns New Holland and several other tractor manufacturers. But this, and for me, this is my sports car. So we're going to take it out and do a little work today and have some good time with it, because I love being on this thing. It's so cool. So, here's the deal. I'm trying to get that big piece of concrete picked up and put on top of the little piece of concrete so it's set up, so the goats will have something to climb on, because the reason we have to keep trimming their hooves all the time is because they don't have anything rough and there's no rocks around out here. So I'm trying to get that piece of concrete flipped up so I can put it on there. So now, and it's too heavy really for me to pick up, but we're going to do my best and see what I can get done here. That and amongst not trying to breathe all the ragweed in. I hope that works. That was way too much work. So the battery died on the GoPro while I was on the tractor. So I had to stop for a minute and get another battery. So as you can tell, I haven't quite figured out the art of scraping that off yet. A little gouge a little bit here. Gouging it a little deep in there. I'll figure it out though. Just trying to get rid of the grass is the plan, to expand the garden for the next year. But let's walk around and see what kind of job I did. I mean, there's a few spots here. And there's a pretty deep spot over there. Okay, it's real deep. Didn't get much done here. There's my first pass. I actually did fairly decent on this one. We'll see. And well, I do love my Italian sports car though. It's a lot of fun. Well, hey everybody, hope you enjoyed today's video with my my sports car here. You know, Tree comes out to hang out because, you know, she thinks my tractor's sexy. Hey, remember to hit that subscription button and the notification bell. We'll see y'all in the next video. So, just to add on to this, I just had a footloose moment. I asked her if she wanted to drive the tractor. And so I'm sitting here discussing brakes, clutch, high and low gear. So hopefully though, we're gonna run the tractor off anywhere. Anyway, those of you old enough to know the original Footloose, there you go.